Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lecture, I will explain book exercise of Unit 2 from textbook. Students, exercise comprehension I had already explained in my previous lecture. Choose the correct option. We know very well that the sky went dark because a giant bird flew over Sindbad's head. Sindbad got money from the voyage by taking diamonds from the valley, which speedily take to themselves wings. If managed badly means money goes very quickly if you are not careful. Sindbad was left alone in the valley because he went to sleep on the island and his ship went away. We know very well. Roc was an enormous legendary bird. This is exercise A, students. You will use the dictionary to find the meaning for these words. Also find guide and entry words for the following words. Students, what are entry and guide words? Entry words are those words that can look up in a dictionary, usually printed in dark print, while guide words are the words printed at the top of the page indicating first or last word entry on the page. Students, you will search the meanings for these following words. Exercise B, put the following sentences in sequential order and summarize the story. Students, sequence is already given to you. Look these numbers. You have to summarize this story. You will write the summary for these sentences. First, you should arrange these sentences according to the given number. Then you will write the summary for this story. Exercise A, point out the nouns in the following sentences and say whether they are common, proper, collective or abstract noun. Students, we know that noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, animal or a thing. It has many kinds like common, proper, collective or abstract noun. Common noun. Students, the word commonly used for a person, animal, place or a thing of same kind is called a common noun, like boy, chair, cat, etc. While proper noun used for a particular or specific person, special person, animal, place or a thing, this is proper noun and it begins with capital letter. While collective noun, students, the word uses for the group of people or thing is called collective noun, like team, army, class, etc. Students, abstract noun used for the objects which cannot be seen, touched, heard, smelt or tasted, but we can feel it or think it. Students, the book was lying on the table. Point out the noun in the following sentences and say whether they are common, proper, collective or abstract. Students, book and table are common noun. We cannot live without water. Water is also common noun. He gave me a bunch of grapes. Student, bunch is a name used for the grapes, a bunch of grapes. So it is, bunch is a word used as a collective noun, so it is collective. The jury has given its verdict. Students, jury is collective noun while verdict is abstract noun. We cannot see it but feel it. Smoking is injurious to health. Smoking is injurious to health. Health is abstract noun. Decide whether the nouns in bold are countable or uncountable. Students, we know very well, we read it in our previous classes that the nouns that we can count is called countable noun and the nouns that we cannot count called uncountable noun. My father drinks 2 big glasses of water every morning. Glasses we can count. The bread my mother prepares is delicious. Bread countable. Drivers must be careful, the road is slippery. Drivers countable. Some policemen are organizing road traffic to avoid any accidents. Policemen countable. I bought 3 bottles of mineral water for our picnic. Water, we cannot count the water, so it is uncountable noun. Write the plural of the following words. Student, this is your homework. You will do it. You will write the plural for these words, and students, you will write it in your rough or practice copy. Stay safe at home. God bless you.